After reconnaissance drones identified Ukrainian defensive positions in the Zaporizhzhia region, the sites reportedly came under attack, highlighting the growing role of unmanned systems in modern battlefield operations. The 25th Army targeted enemy positions in Krasny Lyman. In an industrial area, a vehicle parked inside a building was spotted by a Russian FPV drone and successfully engaged, highlighting the precision and effectiveness of drone operations. Footage from the Rubicon Center shows the destruction of an F-16 ADF fighter jet model used by Ukrainian forces for training and technical purposes. The video highlights UAV strikes targeting airfield assets near Kropyvitsky in the Kirovograd region, suggesting that Ukrainian aircraft operations may be moving further west within the country. Drones from the 18th Air Assault Brigade reportedly detected movement of Ukrainian personnel in Kherson, after which the attack drones carried out their strike mission, demonstrating the increasing role of unmanned systems in battlefield operations. UAV landing sites and associated electronic warfare equipment were identified and subsequently targeted, including strikes using Krasnopol-guided munitions. The destruction of the targets was confirmed through objective control. Drone units operating in the Cupansk area continue to target vehicles, armored equipment, artillery systems, and unmanned ground platforms, disrupting troop rotations, logistics, and medical evacuation routes. The footage reflects ongoing, intense fighting around the city, where both sides are engaged in a prolonged battle of attrition, with control of key positions remaining contested and operations increasingly reliant on aerial resupply and drone reconnaissance. Footage shows an FPV drone strike carried out near Krasny Lyman, where a roadside ambush targeted Ukrainian personnel, underscoring the continued use of drones in close-range tactical engagements. When a drone is heard approaching a vehicle, the window to react is extremely short. Those first few seconds can determine whether the crew avoids harm or not. Footage shows FPV drone operators from the 6th Army conducting a night strike near Blahodatovka, targeting a quad by carrying Ukrainian personnel on a rural road, highlighting the growing use of drones in nighttime operations. A vehicle being destroyed near the settlement of Petrovka, as drone operators from the 6th Army reportedly targeted an enemy pickup truck. Footage shows an artillery self-propelled vehicle being struck during movement, resulting in multiple personnel losses and the disabling of the combat vehicle, illustrating the high risks faced during frontline mobility operations. Russian soldiers were positioned on high ground, monitoring incoming enemy drones. With precise aim, they successfully engaged one Ukrainian drone and quickly targeted a second, neutralizing both aerial threats. A camouflaged vehicle used by Ukrainian UAV operators was destroyed in the Lyman area. Following the strike, the coordinates of the UAV control center were reportedly identified, allowing a subsequent attack to be carried out. Unusual footage shows the installation of a TM-62 ground-based robotic complex, presenting a rarely seen setup that has not been previously published and offering a glimpse into unconventional battlefield engineering methods. The 2S-19 MSTS self-propelled artillery system continues to play an active role on the battlefield decades after its introduction. Following reconnaissance that identified an enemy concentration area, artillery crews rapidly received coordinates and delivered accurate fire, demonstrating the system's enduring effectiveness and the speed of modern artillery response. FPV drone operators tracked off-road vehicles moving through wooded terrain, with the operation reportedly ending in a successful strike on a vehicle carrying armed personnel. A group of Russian soldiers traveling in a pickup truck came under attack by a Ukrainian drone. At the last moment, a soldier seated in the rear fired on the drone, successfully shooting it down before it could strike the vehicle. In this scene, a Russian FPV drone becomes entangled in tree branches, and its payload does not detonate. The drone remains operational. Moments later, 2 Ukrainian infantrymen pass nearby, making for a tense and unusual sequence captured on footage. FPV drone operators from the Sparta Battalion of the 51st Guards Combined Arms Army reportedly carried out a precise kamikaze drone strike near Belitskoye, destroying an enemy UAV control post. The attack reportedly disrupted Ukrainian drone coordination and temporarily blinded their aerial reconnaissance, highlighting the growing role of small unmanned systems on the battlefield. A Ukrainian UAV position near the Russian border was reportedly destroyed, following attacks originating from Udy in Kharkiv Oblast. Special Forces units reportedly located and neutralized the UAV launch site, demonstrating efforts to counter cross-border drone operations. A Humvee armored vehicle was reportedly hit near Monikanovka, close to Kupansk, highlighting ongoing frontline activity and the risks faced by armored units in contested areas. Another transport vehicle belonging to Ukrainian forces was reportedly dispatched to reinforce positions on the outskirts of Kupansk, illustrating ongoing troop movements in the area. Operational Group West has released a fresh compilation of short clips capturing activity in and around Kupansk. The footage offers a detailed look at troop movements, frontline positions, and the operational environment in the area. By providing this visual overview, the release highlights the ongoing tactical situation, illustrating both the scale of operations and the challenges faced by forces on the ground. The clips include vehicle movements, aerial reconnaissance, and other elements of modern battlefield coordination, offering viewers a broader understanding of current developments in the Kupansk region.